Hey all, hope you look good. Welcome to my channel, Sri World of Coding. In today's video, I'm going to show how we can run Python code in browsers. So, PyScript to provide us an interface for running Python code in browsers. So, in order to do this, PyScript uses PyRepl tag. The PyRepl tag adds a REPL components to the page, which acts as the code editor and allows us to run um, code just like a Jupyter notebook. So let's begin. So this is our sample HTML code that we have written. In order to use PyScript, what we do, we just usually copies these two lines of code, which one for CSS and one for JavaScript. So let me paste it here inside header tag. Okay, and inside PyEnv, we usually write uh, functions, libraries that we are gonna use inside PyScript code. So in order to use PyRepl tag, what we define? We define a PyRepl tag py hyphen repl. Just give an ID, a demo, and just write auto generate generate equal to true, and just closing tag of PyRepl and click on save. So what we have written, we have just included the PyRepl tag inside it, and the PyEnv environment, what it does, it automatically imports these one of the libraries without needing a necessity to install it. So my server is already running on port 8080. So let's me go to the server and click on home.html. So this is my header tag that I have defined here. Welcome to my channel, Sri World of Coding. So as you can see, this is one of my interactive code, just like a Jupyter notebook, where we can write our code. Okay, we can even import the libraries that we have defined there. Print np dot random dot random. Okay, these are the random 12 numbers. So we can write the code just like a Jupyter notebook. So here are the various examples of PyScript that enables you to get start with it. And PyScript.net example, there are various uh, examples that are present here which we can use. So it may take some time to load. Okay, this is our current time which is present. So in this video I have shown how we can use run Python code at, at browser. So hope you enjoy the video. Kindly like and subscribe to my channel. Have a nice day.